Hey folks, Chris here, and we are going to see if it's worth our time scrapping a 2003 Emerson 20-inch TV VCR combo. If you haven't seen my videos before, I don't show you how to scrap something. I just try to get you in the ballpark of what something is worth taking to your scrap yard as is, or taking home and spending a few minutes tearing it apart. Like always, we're going to start with a baseline of what it might be worth taking straight to the scrap yard if they will take it. Please let scrap prices go up. This sucked. I love TVs. This one sucked. Till next time.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.